Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good. So today we are going to color in this landscape. As you all know, we have drawn this landscape in the last video and outlined it. But today we are going to color it. For that we need oil pastel. The first part we are going to color is the sky part. For sky, the color we are using is vermilion hue, that is the darkest orange color, orange, yellow and lemon yellow. See. So let's get started now. On the top of the sheet we are going to color the sky with the help of vermilion blue. We are going to render the color in one direction. The first color on the top is the vermilion hue. After that we'll move toward the orange. Again we are going to render it later on golden yellow and at last lemon yellow. Make sure you are not going to give pressure on the color to make it darker, because at the end we are going to render the color or mix the color with the help of cotton. It's your choice. If you want to mix the color with the help of cotton, you can. If you don't want, then leave it. Do it like this. You have to continue the second color by mixing the first color into it, because it will give you the variation of color mixing and give you a realistic feature. Because we are going to make the scene of early morning. As we all know, in the early morning we are going to see so many colors of the sky. So after completing the sky, we are going to color the green portion or a green tree, branches, bushes. For that we need deep green, sap green, light green, and the darkest dark tone we are going to use is a Persian blue. So we are going to render the color in a one direction. The first color we are going to use is a deep green. Later on we will mix a light green into it so that it will make the dark color very smooth. Moreover, after this we are going to use a Persian blue color in the bottom of the greenery part so that it will give the darkest dark tone, because as we all know, the bottom of the tree must be darker and the topmost of the tree is lighter, just because the light will fall on the top of the tree, branches or hut also. The third part of the coloring is the water part. For that we need cerulean blue hue, light blue and a Persian blue. These are the three colors that we are going to use while doing coloring in the water, river, sea or any kind of water texture. Alright, the first we'll start with the help of a light blue. We'll render in one direction like I'll do in this video. You have to follow that technique. Later on, for the darkest dark tone, you will use cerulean blue hue and a Persian blue. The darkest part of the water is the part that is touch or attached with the land, because on that part there is a reflection of the objects that are surrounded by the water. Okay, so do the coloring like this way. student, as it is visible that I have left the white space in water at the right side, just because this is the reflection, this is the lightest light part of this painting. Like the light of the sun will fall on the water, that part will become white. So you have to left that part. You don't need to color it more, or you can use white color to make that part more smoother. After that, we are going to color the tree with the same technique as we have done in bushes. At the end we will use white color to make the water part more smoother. After that our painting will be finished.